Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this Douyin Doll and outfits inspo in DTI. If you're ready to serve that soft, glam, dreamy glow up straight off your FYP, here we are channeling the ultimate Douyin Doll aesthetics in DTI. So let me show you how you can create this look. So first, now for the hair, I'm going to use this hair from Code Items, this glow hair in here, and I'm going to make the color all black like this and turn off the bangs. And I'm going to let's put on this jacket first and turn off the watermelon and make the color soft pink like this. Okay, so for the hair, I'm going to add this one bangs in here, this one, make the color the same, and then let's start with the other outfit for the other items for the outfit. So I'm going to put on this top, change the color into black, and here I'm going to put on these skirts, make the color black including the belts, and then let's add some accessory here. I'm going to grab this bag and change the color into pink for the first preview, and I'm going to put on this necklace in here, and let's add this bow on the hair, and I'm going to use the adjustment feature to adjust the position like this. And now let's add the shoes. I forgot the shoes is under code item, so put on these boots and change the color to all black. And last one, put on the leg warmers in pink. As for the shoe, I'm going to toggle it into longer. And so this is the Douyin Doll look for you. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.